Assalamualaikum, Madam and Sir. I am Mary Ann Balila, 40 years old. My height is 4'11" and my weight is 46 kilos. I'm from Caloocan City, Philippines, and I'm single with 4 kids. My kids' ages is 23, 22, and 17, and 16. I am high school graduate, and I'm also ex-abroad from Kuwait since 2011 to 2015, and Cyprus, Europe, 2015 to 2024 as a domestic helper. Now I am applying as domestic helper bound to Dubai. I can do cleaning, washing, iron, and household work. I can taking care also babies and kids and elderly. I can cook also Arabic food like kabsa, biryani, matchbus diyay, and warag inab, and malfop, and bechamel. I am honest person and hardworking. Thank you, Madam and Sir.